Oh, hey there. How you doing? Welcome back. Oh my gosh, it's been so long. So welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you to everyone who's watching this video. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe after watching this video. And if you don't know, put them post notifications on. Let's get it. Alright, so today's video, as you can see from the title, I am cooking, but I'm cooking with Beyond Meat. So Beyond Meat is full of protein, and basically there's no soy, there's no gluten, and basically it's plant-based meat. So they basically put all this stuff together. Let me just list some of the ingredients. There's water, pea protein, pressed canola oil, refined coconut oil, rice protein, natural flavors, cocoa butter, mung bean protein, methyl cellulose, potato starch, apple extract, salt, potassium chloride, vinegar, lemon juice concentrate, sunflower, lichen, pomegranate, fruit powder, beet juice extract for color. Yeah, so I honestly just kind of throw it out there. I was speaking to someone about the Beyond Meat, and they told me that the Beyond Meat is just as bad for you as like regular meat, but we ain't gonna go into that. I have personally been on a no red meat and no pork diet. It's been going on 2 months now. And honestly, I love it because I'm maintaining my weight. I'm not like, you know, getting too big or too small. I just feel like my weight like fluctuates for the most part. And for me, it's really important because sometimes I don't have time to go to the gym and I be eating all crazy. So if I can maintain my weight without going to the gym, which I have not been to the gym about 2 months, then I'm great, okay? I'm great. So to start off with this video, we are gonna start with cutting up our vegetables, okay? I have an onion here, and then I have a green pepper. I'm gonna cut that up and throw it in here, but we're gonna move this to the side. Okay, so I'm not doing a voiceover, you just won't see my head, okay? So basically, I'm gonna use this whole onion, and I'm gonna use like a quarter or a sixth of this pepper. I was told that you need to use a lot of flavors when you're making this because, again, it's like not processed meat, it's not real meat, so we gotta make it taste like meat. So I'm gonna clean these off, cut them up, and we're gonna get to it. Okay, maybe I'll use a half onion because this is a lot of onions. My eyes are burning right now. Look at them. Oh, they're burning. They're burning. Oh, oh shit. Shoot. Oh, no. Oh. Look at my eyes. I can't even see right now. Okay, so my eyes are like burning right now. Like burning. I'm burning straight. They're burning. Okay. So now I am cooking with my iron skillet. I personally want to cook with a skillet because I want to make sure that the Beyond Meat cooks like right, I guess. And these skillets get really, really hot. two things, make sure you rinse them out because they can collect like rust while they're sitting because of water and stuff like that. So just make sure you rinse it off before you start cooking. And I'm gonna just turn this on. I'm gonna put a little olive oil up in here and just start letting this heat up, okay? So I'm gonna drizzle a little olive oil in here or whatever. Just a little bit, you know. Olive oil is a better alternative than using butter because of all the calories that are in butter. So sometimes you don't need to use butter. Okay, so I have my green pepper, my yellow onion. I'm gonna use the rest of this garlic because there ain't nothing in it. And I have some other garlic chive pieces that I'm actually going to cut it right now while the skillet's getting warm. Like, you wanna make sure that you peel it though. Don't like try to cut it up with the shell on it because that's not how you cook with garlic, just to say. So, got a little trash over here, you know, make sure you got a trash, you know, make sure everything's nice and organized. You know, you don't want to just be cooking, looking all crazy while you cooking, you know. Nobody likes to eat food that has been looking like it's been everywhere, okay? Don't do that, that's nasty. And just to let y'all know, this outfit is presented to you by Marshalls, okay? Marshalls, baby, all right. So, I'm peeling this. And they heat up fast, just to let y'all know. They heat up very fast. So I'm trying to, see, I put water in it and I was like popping. So that's how you can tell if your skillet is warm, by, you know, just sprinkle a little water. Let me turn this down a little bit. You want to sprinkle a little water, like, let me show y'all real quick. Like that. I'm gonna just scrape all of this in there. Okay, so I got my garlic. Right, bow. So because I'm not cooking with like meat, and sometimes you have to kind of mix all of those things together to really give it its flavor, I've never cooked with this, so here goes nothing. It don't smell that bad. It do look like it looked like refried beans. That's what this looks like, refried beans, but it don't stink. Everybody was like, it smells so bad, but it don't stink. And again, the title is using just the Block's hamburger helper, okay? The stroganoff and the deluxe beef stroganoff. So we're using 2 boxes or whatever. So I'm gonna put this in here because I actually want to season it before I put it in the skillet. When you're cooking with skillets or like what are the iron pans and stuff like that, you want to use like a wooden spoon so you don't scrape up your food. So this is cooking already, right? So let me start seasoning this meat. We're gonna use a little bit of water, salt, seasoning, salt, seasoned salt. I'm just gonna throw it in there because like I need to make sure this has a flavor to it, okay? We're gonna do some pepper, some ground pepper. I don't like a lot of pepper, but pepper is better than salt, so if you can use more pepper than salt, do that. Then I'm gonna do a little salt babe on those, a little salt babe or whatever. Okay. Just side note, my mom hates that I use a lot of salt. I don't mean to, but I've just been using a lot of salt in my food because I'm not eating meat, so it's just like I need the flavor. Okay, and then this is something that my grandma taught me to use, which is called accent. This actually pulls the flavor. It's a flavor enhancer, so it makes your food taste more better than what it was supposed to taste like. So you only need a little bit of that because this ain't salt. This is just enhancer. You only need a little bit. Okay. Now we just gonna. Ooh, this feel like beans. This feel like beans. I was gonna use 2 boxes, but I think 1 is enough. Yeah, one's enough. This don't even. It's just like, how would I know if it's cooked right? I don't know. It do kind of stink. It do kind of stink. Oh, this stink. Okay, so now I'm putting in my meat. Right? We're gonna use all that. Wash my hands. And then for my secret ingredient, I'm using a little bit of sauce, okay? Just a little bit, you don't need a lot. Okay. Now, I think I'm gonna go with the deluxe beef hamburger helper instead of the other one, right? So, just start cooking it, right? But I wonder if it'll have like an oil drainage to it, like regular ground beef. So we'll see. Because when you cook with ground beef, you always have to kind of drain it. And sometimes you want to cook the ground beef first before you put in your vegetables. Because once you do that, you're basically, if you do it the other way around, so say you put, you know, vegetables in first in your ground beef and then you rinse it, you're basically just taking out all the flavor that you just made. So if you can save it, but if not, you know, just do it the right way with the beef first and the vegetable. But I don't think this is gonna have a lot of fat on it, so I actually think I want to keep all the juices in this. It don't look like that bad. Let me show you what we got here. Okay, let me show you what we got. So this is what we got. It looks like regular meat. It really does. I hope it tastes like regular meat. I hope so. If you don't, we won't be eating this again. But it gotta stink. Oh my god. I hope this tastes good because I just be eating anything. Okay guys, we're gonna taste it. A little chewy. Needs more salt. So now we're gonna add in, let me turn this down. We're gonna add in my water and my milk. My grandma always said, rinse your dishes before you use them. You don't know what was sitting up in them. Dust. Somebody probably didn't finish cleaning out something and you don't want to be cooking on somebody else's food that was cooked like 4 weeks ago. Okay, so 2/4 of milk. Now I'm using unsweetened almond milk. Damn, this is the whole damn bottle. I'm not gonna use the whole thing. Like, I'm not gonna do the 1/4. I'm just gonna do 2 cups because it's not ground beef. So I just don't know how it's gonna cook. So my milk. Now my water. It's a 1/2 cup of hot water, but I mean the skillet's already hot, so just throw in water. Okay? And then all the stuff that's in here. It's so good! Yeah, so you definitely have to. R.I.P. Pop Smoke. I'm so sad. So this is actually keeping my mind off of it. Like, I feel like Pop Smoke was like one of my friends. Like, I don't know why, but I just loved his music and I'm just really sad. Last video we was talking about Kobe. Now we're talking about Pop. And I'm just like, I'm really sad. I'm really sad. So I did turn my heat down. And we're just gonna let this cook. This is my top. Okay, so that's gonna cook for about 10 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, so I am done cooking my hamburger helper featuring Beyond Meat. Okay, and this is what it looks like. It literally looks just like hamburger helper. It tastes a little different. I end up putting more paprika in it, and then I put some spinach in it. And right now I'm gonna put some Parmigiano cheese to top it off. Okay, now it's time to taste it. I would say grace before I eat. Okay. Stick that in some cheese. It's not too bad. Like, honestly, once you get past the smell, it tastes fine. Yeah, the smell stink, but I mean, that's what I'm eating tonight. So, you know, get that down. So I think I would cook with this again, but I definitely would probably just look up some ideas of how to mask the smell, because you know, you want to enjoy your food, and me, I'm very picky and very particular about my food, so we'll work on that. But I definitely want to say thank you to everyone who's watched this video, and if you like this video, make sure you put a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please put them in the comment section below. And again, I just want to say thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, I'll see y'all later. Bye. Okay, so I made my mom a plate, and she's gonna try it. Go ahead.
It's gonna be different. And one more bite. This is very different. That's what the name is called.
It's Beyond Meat.
Well, this Beyond Meat. Do not mix with this hamburger.
There's no hamburger in it.
Helper. It's alright. This is different. I ain't used to that stuff. Mixed with it. She likes the stuff. What's this supposed to be called?
Hamburger helper.
The meat.
Beyond Meat.
Beyond Meat. Who cooks that stuff Beyond Meat? She's seen it. I'm gonna get this. So, I don't know. Subscribe to our channel.
You got some stuff on this side of your mouth.
That's why, because it's good. Subscribe to her channel. The food is delicious. It's different, but it's delicious. We'll give her a shout out. Thank you. Have a blessed night.